We're back at it again with the kitchen chairs and this exciting felt pad problem. I glued the pads as shown in the previous video about this several months ago, and it did improve the situation quite a bit. So they only would fall off now like once every couple weeks, whereas before it was pretty much like an hourly occurrence. However, it's wearing off and they're starting to fall off again. This one is missing one. I have no idea where it is. So I decided to get new pads. These are the heavy-duty felt pads that nail on. So this nails on and then this sticks to this. So my hope is that if I tap it on such that it's pretty much flat with the floor when the chair is sitting upright, but I think that was part of the problem, is that the tip of the leg was not flat, and so the pads would kind of get like squeezed off to the side and then go flying. So if I nail these on at an angle such that they're flat and the pad is a new clean surface to stick to, I'm hoping this will be more of a permanent solution. So I'll go ahead and install one of these on video so that you can see how it works. We'll take this old mess off of here. You can see it came off with relative ease. And we'll go ahead and tap this on. I thought I was going to have to drill holes to make this go on properly, but it actually goes on okay. Okay, and then stick that on there like that, and it's on. So pretty easy to install. Hopefully this will solve the problem. I'll go ahead and put the rest of them on now. Only time will tell if it really solves the problem long term, but hopefully it does. It sure seems like it should be a lot more durable now. As you can see, the pads are sitting flat on the floor, whereas before they were at an angle. So I think that this will solve the problem.